Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this Android 8.0 Oreo system special for Kia Forte 2040 to 2017. Yeah. Okay, you can check this UI. This button lights. It covers this urgent. You can insert here, this place. Okay. This 10.1 inch. This time you can choose the time. Choose a logo. You can set the logo by this is your car. You can find the key. Okay, show you the Kia logo, and here is a GPS SD card. GPS card 1 slot. Okay, this is microphone, built-in microphone, reset hole, this button. Okay, let me show this. You can change this color, theme color. You can adjust any color in this. Choose the red. Okay, you can check the setting. This show Belsee logo. Car launcher HMA. Belsee is a manufacturer of Android car head unit. Telephone number and email address. Okay. Let me show this system settings. You can find the system. About machine, you can check PX5 octa-core. Rack chip Android version is 8.0 Oreo. Okay, it shows Oreo. There is back the home. Okay, it's connect Wi-Fi, support Wi-Fi, and support Google voice command. No thanks. You can use the Google voice command. Allow charm to record audio. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Let me try again, because this first time. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Let me choose again, try again. I'm hungry. Oh, sorry. You need to connect VPN, because our country doesn't use the Google service. Let me connect VPN. Let me show again. I'm hungry. Okay, it will show that I'm hungry. I'm trying. Football. and we can try our website belsee.com. belsee.com. This is our website belsee.com. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. We will help you solve your problem and questions. Okay, it opened our site. You can check this as new model for BMW. Okay, let me show the maps, Google navigation, skip. You also can use the Google voice command. No, it shows the Google voice command. New York. It will search New York automatically. You can touch control. Okay, this is New York. Let me run the background. Let me show the music. This head unit has two USB cable. This is USB driver. Let me connect. Okay. Okay, it will show automatically play the music. Okay, let me run the background. It supports dual screen. Split model lamp press. It will show this. Okay, you can run the Google navigation and listening music at the same time. Okay. It's built in the amplifier. I connect the speaker. Okay, let me show the video. You can check video disabled while driving for safety. So you need to open the settings to set below it. Okay, let me open the settings. Find the car, drive setting, watch video, turn on, and then reopen video, USB 3. It supports 4K. It's 4K Samsung 4K Diamond. This comes with the install kit. This for install kit and with the screw. Okay. Let me show the Bluetooth. You can check this pin number for 0. This is my Galaxy S8. Okay, open the Bluetooth. Then click search button to get this device, Galaxy S8 Plus. Okay, it will show the. Please pair it. When you pair it, you will get the pairing request. Put the pin number 40. Click OK. Then it paired and show the Bluetooth icon. You can make a phone call. Okay. It also supports the Bluetooth streaming music from your phone. You can open the music app from your phone. You can control the volume from your phone. Okay. Okay, thank you. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Visit our website belsee.com. That's all. Thank you.